What's up, y'all? Y'all like cocktail shrimp? I do. Nice little quick appetizer like that. I take 1 or 2 or 10 anytime. Anytime. I'm gonna show y'all how to make it real fast. Real quick, real easy. You can throw any seasoning on it. All you need to do is poach your shrimp. Easy work. Let's get into it. Okay, now, traditionally, you would just poach them right in a pot of plain water with a little bit of salt. But what we gonna do is we gonna make it our way. Look, we gonna make it some chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of chicken broth base. Right? You're gonna whip this down. And like I said, we wanna poach them. So we don't want this water to be completely boiling. Alright? We gonna get it nice and steepy, nice and smoky. You see what I'm saying? Right before the boil point. Then we're gonna drop our shrimp in, let them sit anywhere from it depends on your tenderness. You want them well, you want them done though. You don't want your shrimp raw, or do you? You can have a little sushi if you want. If you want some sushi, have you some sushi. Shrimp sushi. Okay, now look, y'all. We're gonna bring this up to the temperature we need it. Then we're gonna drop our shrimp in. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, y'all. Last but not least, we're gonna go a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. Yes, sir. A couple tablespoons of lemon juice. We want that broth base well dissolved before we drop our shrimp in there. We don't want our shrimp to be floating in no seasoning or nothing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, y'all see we got that boil right there? Right there, we're gonna turn that thing down. Turn that thing down. Turn that thing down. Turn it down. Turn it down. Yeah. Real low. See that? Turn that thing down. Turn that thing all the way down like that. See that? That simmer, that boil gonna go away, right? We're gonna sit our shrimp on in there, right? It's easy work. All you got to do is a good 5-6 minutes. That's all. And we're gonna take them right out. Hit them with cold water, bain-marie type things. Okay, get these things in here. One more left. Get them in there. And don't let that thing boil, y'all. We just want them to sit in there and cook. They're gonna just sit there, just like that. About 5 minutes. Around a little bit if you want. That chicken broth should impart some salt. And another thing, guys, I'm only saying 5 minutes because I'm trying to make sure we done. You don't have to leave them in for 5 minutes. 5 whole minutes is a long time. I do understand that in some countries they just pour the water, the boiling water over top of the seafood and it be cooked. And you can eat shrimp and things like that raw. But I'm just going off of, you know what I'm saying, food safety, you know. We want to cook them till they well done, y'all. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got some ice in a bowl right here. We're going to throw some water in there. All right. We want to shock our shrimp. We want them to stop cooking like immediately. Okay. Dump that little liquid off of them. ice bath. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. They cocktail shrimp, y'all. Stop cooking right now. All right. Dump the water out. We'll go ahead and grab our shrimpies up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, nice cocktail shrimp. Do I have to hang them around the cup for y'all? Nah. We gonna add one more thing. We got to hit them things with that good old bay. Lit them, shake them. Lit them, shake them. See, I like mine nice and spicy, y'all. Lit them. Shake it. You go ahead on and make you some cocktail sauce. Let me know if y'all want me to make some cocktail sauce, because I can do that too. But yeah, we out of here with that one. That's the cocktail shrimp, y'all. Cocktail shrimp real quick. Real quick joint. Real quick drink for the peoples. All right. Without further ado, y'all like cocktail shrimp? I sure do. Tune in.